If your Windows PC or laptop is running out of space, slowing down, or cluttered with apps you no longer use, the best solution is to uninstall them. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to uninstall apps and software on Windows 11, step by step. First up, right-click on your Windows Start menu, click on Settings. From here, go to Apps. After this, let's go to Install Apps. Here you will find all of your installed applications and softwares. Click on the three-dot icon next to any of your applications. Now you have the Install option. Simply click on it and confirm your choice. You can repeat the same things for any of your other applications. So that's basically it. This is how you uninstall apps and software on your Windows PC or laptop. If this helped you clean up your PC, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.